We present Puppet X, a framework for creating puppet-like playthings and animating them via body and hand gestures. The framework consists of a set of 3D printed geometric shapes with embedded circuitry, intelligent joints for connecting and actuating these shapes, and gestural controls to interact with playthings. Each geometric shape contains a different voltage divider circuit, thus associating it with a unique identification code. These codes enable our framework to automatically deduce the connectivity of the plaything for gestural control. The Puppet X framework can be used in conjunction with a variety of existing depth camera systems such as the Microsoft Kinect and the Leap Motion device to control the puppets. In the first example, a user is seen creating a humanoid puppet by joining a rectangle with 4 trapezoids and a circle. Here, the puppet is controlled by user's full body motion captured by the Kinect. In the second example, we show a user creating a starfish by joining a hexagon and 6 triangles. In this case, the user moves the fingers of the hand to control the motion of the starfish. The implementation for gesture control is based on the skeletal tracking and finger tracking capabilities provided for Kinect and Leap Motion respectively. In Puppet X, we introduce the process of gestural programming. This process allows for the user's motion inputs to be stored, edited, and played back so users can show off their creations as an offline play. The mappings to transfer the user's motion to the joint of the puppet are defined based on our user study, which showed a natural inclination of the users to control anthropomorphic puppets using body movements and non-anthropomorphic puppets using finer finger movements. Please see the paper for a detailed description of the study.